Alright guys, welcome back. I'm out here at Smith this afternoon. It's going to be a quick little trip. I think it's going to rain here in a little bit. I got Goose with me, so disclaimer, he is going to get thrown in the water. So he's got a black coat. He's hot. So he enjoys it actually. So, but the water temperature is 82 degrees. So he's getting up there slowly but surely. And last Saturday we found him on the points and everything, but I'm gonna go back a little bit shallower and see if I can find some hiding, see if I can find some largemouth hiding up under some brush piles. So anyways, let's get after it. Let's go fish. So without further ado, he's getting tossed. We have a lone survivor out on the point. Not that big, I just foul hooked him. It's fine hard. I got 2 fish hooked up here. This is the first time this has ever happened. This is crazy. I've seen videos of this happening. Look at it. 2 fish on it. How insane. Just watch out, bud. This is the first time that's ever happened to me. 2 fish on 1 plug. That's crazy. How insane is that? That's crazy. Cool. This little fight spot. Look, these little spots fight hard. Another one schooling out here in the channel. Here, come here. another one, a little small. Let's go. All right, so I don't know how good that clipped in. This is the best one so far today. I think I got a little bit of it, but that's a really good one. I'm gonna weigh him. Oh, that's not working. Anyway, still a good fish. Got him on that same riser bait. Alright, so I switched GoPros out, man. It's still just one after another. It's insane. What? How insane this is. There it is, right there, at the boat. It's insane. I'm telling you, it's like every cast. Side hook, the biggest in the day. That's good. This is the second biggest of the day. Okay, it's a pretty good one. All right, guys, so that is it for the day. It's probably the most insane day I've had in a long time up here at Smith. Caught them all on that little riser bait. I caught some on the Ned rig, typical. But yeah, they were just on different points. If you know where the Big T is, from the Big T all the way over here to Miller's Flats, are just spaced out, schooling. So if you don't have forward facing sonar, you can really go to any point and throw that riser bait over it, and it's a good bait to cover water with until you find a group. But I'm not spending too much time. When I catch one, you got to switch schools out. So once you catch a couple, you probably need to go and find a different one, or that's what I was doing anyways, to keep it flowing. But not giant fish, but man, it's so much fun to come out here and just catch a bunch of fish. So if you're out here this weekend, I won't be out here this weekend. I'll be at Gunnersville. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please hit the like on this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away the Yeti 45. So appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you guys next time.